G'day, this is Oz ADV Rider and I am out on an adventure ride. I'm up at Mount Robertson. Oh, the bike has been out of action for a few weeks while I swapped motors over. It's now sporting a newer motor, and I also have a new rear disc and pads from S3 Performance. It's great to be out. It's a beautiful spring day. It's quite a cold start to the day, but it's going to warm up nicely. What do we got here? So I've put my other camera facing back because I'm riding into the sun, so we might be using a fair bit of that footage at the moment. Yeah, it's really good to have the bike going again. Oh. Yeah, yesterday morning I went out for a quick ride in the morning, bedded in the brakes. I did a few trips up and down Mount Dandenong. The motor went really good. Tell you what surprised me just before, I was doing 100k an hour and the bike felt like I wanted to go, and I might have just went a little bit over 100 just to test it, and yeah, it was really pulling a lot better than the old motor did. So the bike's done 135,000 k's, and I've heard of V-Stroms getting a lot more mileage out of engines, but yeah, mine was using a lot of oil. I will be trying to stay out of the mud today. My tyres have just about had it. Rightio, we're going downhill. Oh, that's it. I always think that hill's bigger. I'm gonna go this way. We'll go up the other one. Rightio, up we go. Now this is a long hill, it just keeps going and going. You got to try not to jump off them if you can help it. Maybe a wheelie. People want to know why I removed all the front end of my V-Strom. This is why. Now this one's likely to be greasier. I think I've only done this track once before. Yeah, it's a little more hard packed than loose gravel. Is that it? Yep. Righto, very good. Let's go down this way and we'll see if we can find this other track. So that was oh shit, that was a little boggy spur track. What do we got here? Little boggy creek track. There we go. Had little boggy spur track, little boggy creek track. Oh, this one looks like fun, doesn't it? Yeah, what do you reckon? There's a bit of a rut there. I think I'll just stick to the left and in the rut. Well, no, we're all good. We're all good. Take it nice and easy. I don't know how slippery this stuff is. Caught out before in that when you think it's fine, and next thing you're sliding everywhere. Here's that, I went to third for some reason. I feel like that gear lever could be a bit higher. Having a bit of trouble. That's actually running. Oh shit. Yeah, I'm not going up. Oh man, that was actually tougher than I thought. I thought it was going to be pretty easy. Right, yeah, we just had a quick break. It got through the creek alright, but round the bend, fucking big mud pit and a massive big clay hill. So what I'm going to do is spin around. I'm going to go back to the top of the hill. We'll go up a little boggy spur track. This is little boggy creek track. Very confusing. Yeah, we'll go back up that track. We'll have a look at the top of this one, see what it's like. And knowing me, I'll bloody go down that big hill, but we'll see. I know I won't get up it. Sliding down hills is a lot easier than trying to get up them when you've got no grip. Oh. One thing I've noticed with this motor, it just doesn't seem to start as easy. I definitely need some new tyres. I've got Shinko 804 front, 805 rear at the moment. I still like the 804 front, but this last rear tyre hasn't been as good. Probably doesn't help that I got a flat the first time I went out on it. Yeah, I don't know. It's only done about 6,000 Ks and it's pretty much had it. I have given it a bloody hard time. Yes, everyone keeps raving about these Motech tyres, so I don't know, maybe I'll try those next. What do we got in this rut here? I always like the Shinko 705s. They're an 80-20 tyre. They look good for probably 90% of my riding. It's just when you hit that mud or you want to bloody do a big hill or something, they're no good for that. That's how I got onto the Shinko brand, then I decided to try out the 804, 805s. Oh, there we are. That's us. Just let me check this camera, it's all crooked as usual. Right, yeah, back up we go. Little boggy creek track. Let's go have a look. See what we're dealing with. Oh shit, shit, oh shit. Ride it out. Probably should just go back, I think. Yep. Yeah, we can go a bit more. Oh, I'm hopeless, aren't I? Yeah, that's mega slippery. I just know I'm going to get to some very slippery mud very soon. And I've got to want to be able to get back out. I reckon that's the last one there. I'll go have another look. So we get in that pit's fine. The clay that's come out of cars or whatever. So getting back up that would be pretty bloody hard. I reckon I'd be past the point of no return there. How much further we got? If I walk down here, am I going to be... Someone's lost a bra. Far out, that's steep. So we've got these big rollovers which would slow me up alright. Tell you what, I don't think I'd get up that. I'd just like to know where the end of it is. Is that it there? No, it keeps going and going. I know it ends in a big mud hill. Far out, yeah, I better turn back. On my own too. Just get an idea how steep it is. I think I'm going to call it a day here. It's been a while since I've done a decent off-road ride, and yeah, my fitness isn't great, so let's see if we can get back through this mud. Really happy with how the bike's performed today. The engine's great, and the new brakes, oh shit, God, that's slippery. The new brakes are really good too. Oh man. Come on. Let's get in this little groove here. Righto. Oh, bloody hell. Oh. What do we got? We go this side. Oh, it's always risky. Do you power through it and risk losing the front end, or go slow and not get the traction to get out? Righto, we're out anyway. We made it. I don't think I dropped the bike once today either. That would have to be a first. Oh man. Righto, well, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you've enjoyed the video. It's great to be back out in the dirt. And if you haven't already, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. No drops today, hey?